Until the beginning of the year 2021, the only Twitter account you needed to follow was Donald Trump's. But now, since he is out of office, here are some Twitter accounts that you as a trader should know about. Hi, it's Daksh from Forex Monopoly, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 Twitter accounts that every trader should know about. So let's get started. Number 1 is Steve Burns. Steve Burns could just be one of the best trading teachers out there. Just look at his tweets. You can learn so much just from reading his tweets. Well, he's not one of those that just talk about stuff on Twitter. He actually has done great for himself, and his knowledge is credible enough as he has authored around 13 books, and that is quite impressive, isn't it? Follow him on Twitter and you will learn price action techniques, some fundamentals, trading psychology, and he even tweets some really insightful quotes that will surely keep you entertained and motivated too. I mean, just look at this feed. You will literally find content on everything. Number 2 is Peter Brandt. There's always this aged person who has lived their life, seen things, and they love to talk about all of it. Well, that's Peter Brandt for you. Just have a look at his Twitter feed. You will find so many insights into literally everything. You'll read about Bitcoin, commodities, Forex, stocks, and he's a master of all the trades. He keeps on tweeting charts of assets that might just give an opportunity to trade. So if you want to get some commentary on what's happening in the financial space all around the world and also want to be up to date, then go and follow Peter. By the way, I keep posting about what's gonna happen with gold and other financial assets, talk about some really undervalued crypto projects, and also keep posting about trading psychology, which I think is the most important thing for a trader. So if you are interested in that, then you can follow me on Twitter, and here is my Twitter ID, and I'm also adding all the links in the description down below. Now let's move forward. The third one on our list is Ashraf Laidi. Ashraf is another person you should follow on Twitter if you are a trader. Here too you will get market commentaries. Now, why should you listen to Ashraf? Well, because he has a lot of experience in professional trading, and if you have read my blog, then you will know that he has authored a book, and it is simply amazing. On his Twitter feed, what you will see is that he will interlink different markets like Forex, interest rate, stocks, and he will just try to give you a larger picture to look at. Just look at this tweet of his. I personally found this very interesting. The fourth one on our list is Live Squawk. Wouldn't it be cool if you could have someone telling you time and time about what's happening around the world? Something happens in the stock market and boom, you know it. Something happens in the commodities market and you know it. The Fed's messed up, boom, you know it again. Well, this is why you should follow Live Squawk on Twitter. Just look at the frequency of their posting and also look at the range. In just these few tweets, you will know about what's happening all around the world. Now, if you follow all their tweets, you will be aware of everything, and wow. The fifth one on our list is Niall Fuller. Has it ever happened to you that you are looking at the charts but you can't really see anything? You just can't understand how the price is moving or can't even figure out any of the pattern. It's just like one of those days where the mind is fogged. In comes Niall's Twitter account where he posts charts and trade ideas. If you are a beginner, then even better, because you can learn a thing or two from charts he posts. Like here you can see that Niall has just posted trade ideas on crude oil, gold, GBP, JPY, and he also have trade ideas on Euro, USD, GBP, JPY, and crude oil, and he does this continuously. So along with this, Niall also tweets some educational price action content, and they seem pretty good too. So if you follow him on Twitter, then you may also come across tweets where he talks about trading psychology and other trading related content. So do have a look at his account and follow if you like.